Hi, first grade. I hope you are enjoying your trip to America and learning about Kwanzaa. Today's read aloud will help us learn a little bit more. Our story is called The Sound of Kwanzaa. The author is Dimitri Tokurmbo and the illustrator is Lisa Cohen. Come close, gather round, listen to the sound of Kwanzaa. Loving words and greeting family, we stand together for Umoja. Umoja means unity. One black candle gently shines to welcome our first Kwanzaa night. Come close, gather round, listen to the sound of Kwanzaa. Working hands in ancient stories, we learn our traditions for Kuji Chagulia. Kuji Chagulia means self-determination. One red candle gently flickers to honor our second Kwanzaa night. Come close, gather round, listen to the sound of Kwanzaa. Banging hammers and sweeping brooms, we share the chores for Ujima. Ujima means collective work and responsibility. One green candle gently shimmers to lighten our third Kwanzaa night. Come close, gather round, listen to the sound of Kwanzaa. Laughing shoppers and chanting merchants, we support our neighborhoods for Ujamaa. Ujamaa means cooperative economics. Another red candle gently twinkles to brighten our fourth Kwanzaa night. Come close, gather round, listen to the sound of Kwanzaa. Sharing dreams and setting goals, we plan our future for Nia. Nia means purpose. Another green candle gently glows to illuminate our fifth Kwanzaa night. Come close, gather round, listen to the sound of Kwanzaa, beating drums and singing voices. We perform for Kumba. Kumba means creativity. Another red candle gently burns to warm our sixth Kwanzaa night. Come close and gather round, listen to the sound of Kwanzaa. Thankful prayers and loud harambes, we celebrate our lives of Imani. Imani means faith. The last green candle gently sparkles to bless our seventh Kwanzaa night. Harambe, harambe, harambe. So here is a note from the author. When I was much younger, my father took me to Harlem. We stopped to visit one of his friends. As my father introduced us, his voice boomed. This is the man who created Kwanzaa. It was true. Dr. Malana Karenga started this African American celebration in 1966. He named it after the Swahili word Kwanzaa, which means first fruits. Kwanzaa is observed for 7 days from December 26th to January 1st. Kwanzaa is a time to reaffirm African American culture by practicing the Nguzo Saba 7 guiding principles, which are Umoja, unity, Kujichagulia, Kujichagulia, self-determination. Ujima, collective work and responsibility. Ujamaa, cooperative economics. Nia, purpose. Kuumba, creativity. And Imani, faith. Each day the question is asked, Habari Gani, which means what's the news? The response is to say the Nuguzu Saba for that day and to light a candle on the Kinara, candle holder. Another Swahili word I mention in this book is Harambe, an exclamation that means let's pull together. On the last day of Kwanzaa, many African American families have a karamu, feast or party. When my daughters and I were invited to our first karamu, we wanted to bring one of our favorite desserts, brownies. But we wanted to give them a special festive twist in honor of this celebration. We decided to individually wrap bite-sized pieces of brownie and a small slip of paper, each having one of the Nuguzu Saba written on it. Toward the end of the party, our host passed around the dish with our gift-wrapped brownies to the guests. One by one, we all took a brownie, unwrapped it, and shared how we planned to use the principle we found during the upcoming year. Here is one of my family's favorite recipes. We call it No-Cook Kwanzaa Brownie Bites. You can make and share them at your next karamu. Even though these brownies require no cooking, adult supervision is suggested when preparing them. And here is the recipe in the back. I hope you enjoyed listening to the Sound of Kwanzaa. Have a great day.